Let's solve these together. Okay? It says a raised power x is equal to b raised power y is equal to c raised power z is equal to a. We're required to find the solution of x multiplied by y multiplied by z. Okay? Now let's do that quickly. Now from here, the first thing we can see, let's carry the first equation. So we have a raised power x, okay? A raised power x is equal to b. Now let's take the natural log of both sides, okay? So we have ln of a raised power x is equal to ln of b, where we have x multiplied by ln of a is equal to ln of b, okay? The reason you're doing this is because when you have a power and a log, you multiply the log by that power. This is natural log, alright? Now this thing will become that x is equal to ln of b divided by ln of a. Okay, this is our x. This is the first one. And let's go ahead for the second one. So we have b raised power y is equal to c. Okay, let's separate this. Now from here we have the same step, ln of b raised power y will be equal to ln of c. Now we have y ln of b is equal to ln of c. From here we now have that y will be equal to ln of c divided by ln of b. Let's call this equation 2. So moving on from here, we can say, let's do the same thing for c. So we have ln of c raised power z is ln of a. Z multiplied by ln of c is equal to ln of a. Hence now have z is equal to ln of a divided by ln of c. Okay? Hence now have that our x multiplied by y multiplied by z is equal to x is what? Ln of b over ln of a multiplied by ln of what? C over ln of b multiplied by ln of a over ln of c. Okay? Now, ln of c strikes ln of c, ln of b strikes ln of b, ln of a strikes ln of a. So I'll have x, y, z is equal to 1. This becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.